I came to Semporna chasing a rumor. A whisper that the sea here remembers your name. Morning starts like a secret. The sun peels open the horizon. The water is so clear it feels like glass learning to breathe. I push off from the jetty, and the world turns turquoise. Endless, calm, alive. Out on the water, stilt homes ripple in reflection. The Bajau Laut, people of the sea, move with the tide's quiet wisdom. Children paddle by in wooden lepa boats, laughter skipping across the surface like light. I offer a smile. They give me a universe. Bohey Dulang rises like a dream someone left behind. I climb the ridge, lungs steady, heart loud. At the top, the lagoon blooms in blues I don't have words for. Ink jade electricity. Islands dot the ocean like commas, asking me to keep going. Then, Sipadan. Down there, the world forgets gravity. Turtles glide past like old souls with nowhere to be. A vortex of barracuda wraps me in silver. I hover at the edge of a drop-off, watching the deep exhale. Every bubble is a prayer I didn't know I needed. Mabul is slow like a heartbeat at rest. I wade in shallow water, macro life dancing in miniature. Flamboyant cuttlefish, curious nudibranch, a tiny universe performing under a sunlit curtain. Time softens here. By afternoon, the sky warms to mango rose. Nets hang to dry, stories hang with them. I share tea with a family, and the day folds in around us. Simple, generous, true. Sunset hits, and Semporna turns to gold. The water mirrors the sky, and for a moment, everything is doubled. Light on light, quiet on quiet. I realize travel isn't moving across maps. It's letting a place move through you. Night arrives on soft feet. Boats become silhouettes. Somewhere out there, the ocean hums the oldest lullaby. I breathe in salt. I breathe out gratitude. If you ever need to remember how big the world is, and how gentle, come here. Let the islands whisper. Let the sea write your story in water and light, and leave with pockets full of horizon.